Buzz.
Yeah, man.
Put the Good Tucker app on.
I got it here, man. All loaded up.
Let's go scan some good food.
After you, my friend.
Oh, I love my spaghetti now and then, so I'm just going to try the spaghetti. Oh, so I've got to be careful of not eating too much of this.
It's really cool that Outback Stores put their fruit and veg and their water fridges right at the front of the store, and all the nasty drinks are at the back. Thumbs up, Outback Stores.
Strawberry, cherry tomatoes, yeah, pretty good. Pretty good, but not too good for the breast.
I'll show you how it works. Now you see, it comes up like this, and you go to a barcode. And it says that you should limit this one because it's got lots of sugar in it.
Wow.
Yeah, and you know, like salads, got to be good for you.
Good tucker.
Good tucker for salads. Seafood, good tucker.
I love seafood.
Me too. Vegetables, 2 thumbs up. Best
Wow.
choice, Edie.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's called Good Tucker,
Yeah.
and it's free.
Wow. And it's good to know.
Okay, I'm going to check, see if the water is good with the Good Tucker app. Oh, thumbs up. Awesome. Thumbs up for drinking water. Hey Buzz, we got some thumbs up.
Yeah, me too, man. I got thumbs up. Got the potatoes, got the onions.
Got the carrot.
Time for some Good Tucker.
Yeah, Good Tucker it is.
Let's go, man.
Okay.